I like to eat healthy food every day. For breakfast, I usually eat a banana and an apple. I also eat a slice of bread with butter and a piece of cheese. Sometimes, I drink a glass of orange juice or a cup of tea. For lunch, I usually have rice or pasta with chicken or fish. I like to eat meat too, but I don't eat it every day. I always add some vegetables to my plate. My favorite vegetables are carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and lettuce. I sometimes make a big salad with them. For dinner, I usually eat soup with potatoes, onions, and other vegetables. I also eat a sandwich with bread, cheese, and a little meat or chicken. During the day, I like to snack on fruits like grapes, watermelon, or oranges. Fruits and vegetables help me stay strong and feel good, so I try to eat them every day.